Alright guys, we're out here with the TOMOFREE T1, and guess what we're going to do today? Today we're going to do our little hill climb, and it's not going to be a long video, real short. Anyway, so we're going to go take this over to 6th Street, and we're going to go down to the bottom of 6th Street where the laundromat is, turn around and go all the way to the top of the hill, which is 1,000 feet. From the intersection down there on 6th Street, from the laundromat to the top of the hill is 1,000 feet. So, yeah, these hills around this Irwin are brutal. Okay, let me tell you something. They are some brutal hills in this town. It's very hard to control this bike when you turn the throttle, because it wants to just go, man. I mean, it wants to do a wheelie. I mean, every single time it wants to do a wheelie. Now, I know one of those P settings in there is for this, but I'm just not sure which one it is because I never found any. I know P8 is for the pedal assist. Okay, so the other ones, I have no idea what they mean. I think P1 is something about the voltage, because it says 48 on, I think it's P1 that says 48. So you're going to assume that's to set the voltage, right? So the other ones, I just have no clue. I think this is 5th Street here. See if this is 6th Street here. Yeah, this is it right here, because I see the laundromat down there. Okay. Now, I'm not going to be able to just go straight. I'm going to have to stop here and there because of these stop signs. So I'm not going to be able to zoom all the way up. But that's just the way it goes. It's church doings today over here in Irwin, which is the super big deal. You know, everybody in this town goes to church, okay, period, except me. I'm the only dude in this town that don't go to church, right? Everybody else does. So this town is very crowded around here on Sunday morning. There's hardly any parking, actually. Okay, so this is 6th Street right here. This is the intersection here. So from here, from the crosswalk here where we're at to the top of the hill is 1,000 feet. Now I'm just going to go up, no pedaling. It is a pretty steep hill, believe me. So let's do it. All right, we made it up to the top with no problem at all. Okay, so then we got another, we can go another 1,000 feet up to the top of the next one. Yeah, great stuff. I've never even been up this way. I have no idea where this goes. Yeah, there's definitely some rattling going on over there with that battery. And let me see. Okay, so we're at a dead end here, I believe. So I'll have to go down this Cedar Street unless, I don't know what's back there. I'm not going back there. Okay. I'll take this Cedar Street. Oh, that looks like it goes back out to Route 30. Maybe, who knows? Yeah, that battery's definitely rattling around in there. Maybe I need to get another one of the magic erasers and stuff it down in there. So yeah, wow. It's great on the hills, I can tell you that. So you're not going to have any issues with this thing going up and down hills. I mean, it just went up that 6th Street. It wasn't even straining or anything, you know, it was just going up nice and easy. You know, when I'm doing this little block-to-block traffic in here, around here, these cars hate this because I can go just as fast as them in this block-to-block traffic. Because they want to go around, but they can't because I'm too far ahead of them by the next stop sign, so they're screwed. Oh well, right? Well, guess what, guys? I have to mow the yard, and, you know, my favorite job. Time to get the lawnmower out. So what is squeaking back here? Okay, so it's not those little shocks right there. It's not those little canister things, because I'm squeezing on that and nothing's happening. Okay, so it's definitely, yeah, it's definitely in the battery thing setup here. Okay, I'll get something for the next video. Get something wedged in there. Magic erasers or fold some cardboard. That's definitely causing a problem. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. The hill climb was a success. Okay.